Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate course for finding winning products in dropshipping. I'm really happy to welcome you to this course because that's something I would have loved to have when I first started dropshipping. I truly believe that finding winning products is the very most important pillar for your success in dropshipping because everything else comes from your winning products. So by the end of this course, I hope you will have a proven framework to look for winning products, being able to identify them quickly and organize your research routine in an efficient way. And you might be wondering, who is this guy to talk about a subject as specific and important as winning products? So let me introduce myself. My name is Thibaut, and as you may have heard or noticed, I'm French. I have a terrible French accent, and I hope it will not disturb you too much because I'm about to drop a lot of value. And the reason behind that is because over the last 3 years, I've made more than 4 million in dropshipping. I've done multi-product dropshipping store, mono-product. Some of them have evolved to brands, but the very pillar of it has been the product research system we have made. And some of you, even the more advanced, especially the more advanced, might be thinking that 4 million in 3 years is not a lot. And yeah, that's right. And some of you beginners might think that maybe it's not true because everyone thinks it's not true at the beginning or that's a lot. But actually that's some real and pretty decent numbers. All those numbers have been generated when the business was 90% delegated, which means I love processes, I love SOPs, I love templates, frameworks, etc. to make the business efficient and to be able to delegate it to someone else. So given the fact that it's 90% delegated, I think those are pretty decent numbers. Of course, it was not 90% delegated at the beginning, it was progressive. During those 3 years, I've tested more than 2,000 products. With my team, we've elaborated some research method, we've tested all the tools, all the techniques to find winning products, and we have made the core of our business out of it. And we even made our own internal tool, and that's why I think I'm pretty legitimate to talk about this subject. What will you get from this course? So by the end of the course, you will know everything about winning products. There is a lot that has been told about winning products, how to sort them. Many of the information you can find on the internet is true, but there is also a lot of crap. So my goal is to give you the very best information and the only piece you need to find winning products to evaluate them. I'm also give you all the research method we've used. We tried all of them, we tried all the tools, and we are going to give you everything ranked by efficiency, price, and what we actually are using every day. I'm also going to give you my internal SOPs, processes, guidelines, frameworks that we use internally to find winning products and that we are also using to train our team members that do product research. So who is this course for? It's a course for absolute beginners, but it will also be interesting for experts. As an absolute beginner, you will learn how to find your first winning product. And because this is a training we also give to our internal team, and that the average member who comes in find their first winning product in 5 to 7 days, I'm pretty sure you will be able to find yours in under a week or under maximum 14 days and make several thousands of profit with it. It's also for intermediate dropshippers, obviously, because you will learn some new research methods and that you will be able to professionalize your research techniques, but also for experts because I'm 100% sure that you will learn a lot of it from the methods, from the SOPs, and most importantly, if you're an expert, how to delegate this part of your business because many dropshipping experts are still doing their research themselves. At the end of the course, you will have everything to find your first winning product and make it a part of your dropshipping business, make it efficient, repeatable, scientific. You don't want to leave this part to a black box where you don't really know if you're going to find your next winning product or if this one will be the last. No, with this course, you will find your next winning products and the one after it, etc. Try to watch everything because that's the way I personally consume courses. there might be some golden nuggets in some modules you did not want to watch. So I encourage you to watch it like maybe at twice the speed and slow down when you hear something interesting, even if you are an expert. And next, we're going to jump into fundamentals of finding a winning product. What makes a winning product?